Wally the Water Drops. Meet Wally. Wally was a tiny, bouncy water drop who lived high up in a fluffy cloud. He loved playing tag with sunshine and sliding down raindrops with his cloud friends. One day, Wally felt the wind wiggle the cloud. "Time to go," it whistled. Splash! Down to earth. Wally whooshed down in a rainy tumble. "Whee!" he shouted as he splashed into a muddy puddle near a garden. The ground tickled his belly as he soaked in. Underground fun. Below the surface, Wally met roots, wiggly, thirsty, and full of smiles. "Hi Wally," they cheered. "We've been waiting for you." Wally zoomed through root straws and reached a tiny seed named Pip. Pip was shy, but when Wally tickled him, Pip woke up and stretched. "Is it time?" Pip yawned. "It sure is," giggled Wally. "Let's help you grow?" The climb. With Pip growing, Wally zoomed up the plant stem, helping leaves unfurl and flowers bloom. He carried food, coolness, and plant hugs. Wally even danced out of the leaves as steam, floating back toward the sky. Home again. Up, up, up Wally drifted, back into his cloud bed, cozy and proud. "What a day," he said. "I helped Pip grow big and strong," and just like that, Wally was ready for his next drop-tastic adventure.